So guys, hey guys, what is up? So today, I am really happy, really excited because I finally got the banshee. I just got it in this server. I forgot to record it because I was, so much excited and I was, too much into beating Cluckles. So I was really, busy beating Cluckles, so that's why I couldn't record. I really forgot to record. So guys, I am so happy I just got the banshee. All my targets in madcity are now complete. I don't need money because I have the plane, I have the scout, I have the challenger, and now I have this, and I have the dirt bike. So whenever now I'm gonna play madcity, I'm just gonna have no objectives, just gonna fly around, and I will be posting videos of other games, but not madcity, or I guess sometimes madcity when it gets a new update. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you this. So I'm just so happy. You don't know the level of my happiness. And guys, I want to show you one more thing. You see this? There's an event in Roblox of WrestleMania, WWE. So I'm a really big fan of WWE, and my favorite, there were only 4 characters. It was, I don't know, Roman Reigns, Seth Rollins, and 2 more. I don't remember their names. So I was like, my favorite in these 4 is Seth Rollins, but my favorite in real life is Braun Strowman, but there was no Braun Strowman, so I just took Roman Reigns. So just go to the WrestleMania, and if you're a girl, take Becky Lynch, whatever her name is, and if you're a boy, you have 3 choices: this, Seth Rollins, or something else. So yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.